Hi lovely people, you are welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video we are going to be making this delicious ayoyo soup. This is the ayoyo that I'll be using to prepare the soup. So we shall be making one pot ayoyo soup. We will not be making the stew separately, so I'll go ahead and pick this ayoyo and we'll start preparing our soup. Into a pan on fire, I'll add some water. And then I'll add this local saltpeter. You can use any saltpeter of your choice, or you can use baking soda. Then I'll allow it to boil. While waiting for it to boil, I'll go ahead and wash the ayoyo thoroughly with salt to make sure that it is very clean. Then when the water boils, I'll transfer the ayoyo into the boiling water. I will allow this to cook for about 5 minutes, then I'll take it off the fire and allow it to cool. So I'm now going to grind some garlic, ginger and pepper together, and then I'll use it to steam the meat. I'm using guinea fowl meat for this soup. You can use any meat of your choice. So I've transferred the meat into the saucepan and I'm adding some leftover smoked catfish and some dry fish. After that, I'll transfer our ground pepper, ginger and garlic into the meat, and then I'll add some chopped onions to it, salt to taste and our seasoning cube. I'll also be adding our dawa, which is known as locust beans, to it. Then I'll add a little water to it, mix everything and place it on fire. After a few minutes, I'll stir the meat again, then I'll add some amount of water to it and allow it to continue cooking. Our ayoyo has now cooled down a bit, so I'll transfer this into the blender. Then I'll use the pulse mode to blend it roughly, and then we'll transfer this into our meat. Our ayoyo soup looks yummy already, so after mixing everything, we'll allow this to boil for like 5 minutes and then our soup is ready. So I've tasted the salt and it's not enough. I'll go ahead and adjust the salt and I'll allow it to boil just a little bit, and then our soup is ready. The soup is now ready at this point, so all we need it to do is to take this off the fire and serve this with our teaser. So we already have our teasers ready. We'll go ahead and serve this and enjoy. If you have watched to this point and you haven't subscribed, kindly click the subscribe button to subscribe and press the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload a new video. Thank you.